So let's talk about our next question. Next question is, which of the following statement about the hepatocellular cancer is or are correct? Number one, TACE is basically used for the multinodular lesion. Number two, lenvatinib used for the lesion less than 3 centimeter. Number three, that is the incidence of the hepatocellular cancer is increasing. And number four, that is NASH and NAFLD are the risk factor for the hepatocellular cancer. So let's try to understand this statement individually, right? So your first statement, TACE. TACE is basically used for the multinodular lesion. Yes, it's true. So in case of a patient suffering with a multiple nodular like hepatocellular carcinoma, so in that case, most of the cases, what we have seen is that 90% of the cases, the feeding vessels is somewhere the branches are derived from the hepatic artery. So your TACE is basically known as the transarterial chemoembolization. So what we like to do is that we have to locate that feeding vessels of that particular tumor. So we try to cannulate that vessel through the angiography, and following that we have the drug eluting beads. So these drug eluting beads, they basically elute chemotherapeutic agent, mostly doxorubicin, cisplatin, or some cases mitomycin C. So these are the common agent nowadays we are using. So what we do is that small beads is supposed to be like placed within that feeding vessel. So that will basically gives you a two type of effect. So number one effect that you can able to get, that is your embolization of that particular tumor by simply blocking that feeding vessels. And the number two, that is that chemotherapeutic agent that is directly acting on the tumor, and eventually the systemic side effect of that chemotherapy will be very, very less. So these are the two advantages that we can get, and it typically followed in case of multinodular lesion. Okay, so it's a pretty much useful for the intermediate stage of the hepatocellular cancer. Now our next statement, that is the incidence of the hepatocellular cancer is increasing. It's always true, because the global incidence of the hepatocellular cancer nowadays, it keep increasing just simply due to the chronic liver disease. As we all know, chronic liver disease also is an independent uh, factor for developing the hepatocellular cancer as well, including hepatitis C, B, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. These are the one which basically keep increases. Okay. Now your next statement is your NASH and NAFLD are the risk factor for the hepatocellular cancer. Yes, it is also true, because your NASH and the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, they are basically being recognized as one of the most important risk factor for hepatocellular cancer, especially when the patient is basically suffering from the metabolic syndrome with a diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, and the NASH in coexistent state. In those patients, we have seen the increased incidence of the hepatocellular cancer has been seen. So this all three statements are till now are true. Now the next statement, that is your lenvatinib is basically used for the less than 3 centimeter lesion. Yes, it's a false statement. Lenvatinib is typically useful for a lesion that is larger in size, so it's more than 3 centimeter, or the advanced stage of the hepatocellular cancer are basically taken down by the lenvatinib. Okay, not the small lesion, right? So for the small lesion, we can easily go for the surgical resection, or there is a availability of the ablation therapy with a radio frequency ablation or the argon laser ablation. And we have the liver transplantation as well for the small hepatocellular cancer. But for the advanced stage, lenvatinib is the option to go. Okay, so from here you can easily able to understand your option A, that is your TACE, it is a true statement. Option B is a basically false statement. Option 3, that is again your true statement. option 4 as well. So they are basically asking which of the following statements are correct. Yes, your 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, this is going to be your answer here.